Hello. Hi, Missy. Hi, Mitzi. What you doing? Hmm? What you doing, Mitzi? Say it. Want cookie? Mitzi. Hi, Miss. Hi, Miss. What you doing? Hi, Mitzi. Mitzi, you're so pretty. Hmm? Want cookie? Thank you. Give me a kiss. Oh.
Oh, that is hilarious.
You're talkative. Hi, puppy. Oh, yeah, you're so cute. Mitzi. Missy Ruby. What? What? Stay there, making noises at me. Mitzi, what you doing? Mitzi, what are you doing? Can you get Mitzi to talk?
If you're standing right in front of her cage, she's probably not going to. Since you're a stranger, you probably are going to have to go out on the other side, and then I can try and talk to her, and she'll probably.
Okay.
Anybody standing right there, if she didn't know you, probably not going to talk. Hi, Mitzi. Do you want a drink? Do you want a drink? Are you thirsty? Are you too thirsty? You want a cracker? Mitzi. Are you gonna go crazy? Go crazy. Go crazy. How about I get you a drink of water? Huh? Are you gonna give me a cookie? Where's the cookie? Huh? Where's the cookie? Say it. Say it. Huh? Say it. Where's Mitzi? Where's Mitzi? Peekaboo. Mitzi. I want a cookie. I want a cookie, Mitzi. Mitzi. Where's Mitzi? What's your point? Huh?
Mitzi!